Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Neon Crackers for cracking IIT and NEET. So I'm here to give you super trick how to find oxidizing agent or reducing agent within fraction of seconds based on electrochemical series. What is electrochemical series? It is a series in which elements are arranged either increasing or decreasing order of their electrode potential values and again I will give one important simple rhythm to remember all the elements of electrochemical series. So what is the rhythm? The rhythm is Likaka Namal Jikro Fekadnis Hydrogen and Hapa. What is the rhythm? Likaka Namal Jikro Fekadnis Hydrogen and Hapa. Okay. So I'm writing. What is the rhythm? Li ka ka na mal likaka namal jikro fe cut. Next one nis, and this is extra pb hydrogen copper, and the next one is hapa. Hapa. What is Hapa? Hapa stands for Hapa. So mercury, silver, lead, gold. Mercury, silver, lead, gold. So I'm writing here Ha Pa. Right? And from bottom to top, you have to write here fluoro, chloro, bromo order. Fluoro, next chloro, next bromo, next iodine. And this is the simple series of electrochemical series. Of course, many elements are there, many either elements or components are there, but these are the important elements which can be used in electrochemical series. Okay. And again, one important thing you should remember, what I'm trying to say is completely based on reduction reaction only. That's why I wrote here reduction reaction. So what is the potential? Standard reduction potential. And what is a reduction reaction? Addition of electron. This is about electrochemical series means transfer of electrons. So that's why what is reduction? Addition of electron is a reduction. So lithium requires one electron to form lithium atom. In the same manner, potassium also it requires K plus an addition of one atom to form. Sorry, one electron to form potassium. The same manner, calcium plus 2. Next nitrogen plus 1. So all the valence electrons we have to write the reduction reaction. Now potential, this potential is minus 3.07 and minus some lower value, means from top to bottom negative potential value is decreasing, and where hydrogen electrode potential value becomes 0. Hydrogen electrode potential value becomes 0. That's why we can use this one is a She, standard hydrogen electrode. To find other element reduction potential, so we can use this She, hydrogen electrode potential. Now after this one, below hydrogen, so suppose copper plus 2, addition of 2 electron to produce copper element, and this is so 0.76 something positive value. So from after hydrogen, from top to bottom, more negative value to less negative value and becoming 0 after that. So positive value is increasing. And if you check here fluorine, so fluorine also reduction reaction, plus 2 electrons and it produces 2F minus. Here also, because completely it is based on what? Reduction reaction. Here also addition of 2 electrons to produce 2F minus, but the potential is I think nearly 2.87. What is the electrode potential? But this is completely trick to find either positive or negative potential of the elements. Okay. So here what is the value, positive or negative? Positive value. Here what is the value? Negative value. And now why it is negative value? You know already first year group elements are strongest reducing agent elements, and it liberates electrons easily. Suppose lithium converts to lithium plus to get nearest to noble gas configuration by removing electrons. This is a spontaneous reaction. And of course, so if electrode potential is becoming positive, then the reaction is said to be spontaneous. Then the reaction is said to be spontaneous because it produces electricity. If the potential becomes negative value, the reaction is non-spontaneous. The reaction is non-spontaneous reaction. Now, so you can say, yeah, this is a negative potential value. So this reaction, forward reaction, is spontaneous and non-spontaneous. And this is non-spontaneous reaction because lithium, it forms lithium plus very easily. That is spontaneous reaction. So if you want to write reverse reaction, lithium to lithium plus, the potential becomes positive. So plus 3.07, that reaction would be spontaneous. Now, how to find oxidizing agent or reducing agent based on this electrochemical series? And remember that rhythm, again I will tell you. So what is the rhythm? Li, Kaka, Namal, Jikro, Fekad, Nis. After that, these three elements, remember, lead, hydrogen, Hapa. Lead, hydrogen, copper. After that, Hapa. Hapa. So from bottom to top, you have to write the series fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodine. And this is electrochemical series. So how to find oxidizing agent or reducing agent based on this electrochemical series? And so in the overall periodic table, the strongest oxidizing agent is fluorine and the strongest reducing agents are first A group elements. So Likaka, Namal, Jikro, Fekal is a first A group element, so more negative value, and this is a reducing agent. Why it is reducing agent? If you write this reversely, and we can get a spontaneous reaction, right? And here F2 plus addition of 2 electrons, 2F minus, and this is a spontaneous reduction reaction because it produces positive potential value, so it reacts easily by reduction. That's why what is the agent this one? Oxidizing agent. So this is oxidizing agent and that is reducing agent. So the element which has more negative reduction potential is a stronger reducing element, and the element which has more positive reduction value is a stronger oxidizing agent. So more positive value and oxidizing agent, more negative value, reducing agent. Okay, reducing agent, again one important thing you have to remember here. So okay, we are saying here reducing agent, but which one is a reducing agent? Either lithium or lithium plus. And here also we are saying oxidizing agent. Which one is oxidizing agent? Either F2 gas or 2F minus ion. So let's see what we have to find and how can we find the oxidizing agent, reducing agent, which is a particular element. Let's see. Right. So lithium reaction, lithium plus 1 electron to form lithium, and you can represent this potential. So lithium plus 2 lithium, and you got the value minus 3.07, and Likaka, suppose potassium if we take plus electron and forming potassium, we can represent this potential K plus 2 forming K, and suppose less value minus 2.9 I am taking, no problem, because based on this series from top to bottom negative reduction potential value is decreasing. So minus 3 to minus 2.9, it is decreasing or whatever. Now the next one, Likaka, Namal, if you take silver also no problem, aluminium plus 3, addition of 3 electrons to produce aluminium element, so we can represent this one. Al plus 3 to Al, suppose minus 2.1, because from top to bottom negative reduction potential value is decreasing. Now already, so highest negative potential value is the strongest reducing agent. But which is the reducing agent? How to find the reducing agent? So actually in a periodic table we are saying lithium element is the strongest reducing agent, but not lithium plus. So which is the reducing agent? Lithium is the reducing agent, right? And in between these two in the representation, so which element we have to consider to find reducing agent? So product element we have to find the reducing agent. So what is a reducing agent order? Reducing agent order, strongest reducing agent is a product, more negative value with product side, more negative with product side. So what is the product here? Lithium is a product, Next one, after this more negative value is 2.9 compared to 2.1, this is a somewhat more negative potential value. So this is moderate, but which element, product or reactant? Product. So product next reducing agent, and the next one is the what? Aluminium is the next reducing agent. So we have to find like this reducing agent. So reducing agent, what is the trick? Reducing agent, reducing agent, so more negative electrode potential value, I mean reduction electrode potential value with product side, with product side. So this is my shortcut to find reducing agent. And the next one, oxidizing agent. So that fluorochlorobromo is there. So fluoro plus addition of 2 electron forming 2F minus, and we got the potential value. What is the potential value? Plus 2.8 something we got for more positive value. Next one, chloro, and adding 2 electrons, it formed 2Cl minus, and here also potential value is, suppose this value would be lesser than this, because highest positive value is fluoro. From top to bottom, positive value is increased. So this is highest, and next one is somewhat. So I am writing like normal value 2.5 or something. Fluoro, bromo is there, and bromo plus adding 2 electron, and it forms 2 Br minus. So what is the potential? I am taking like 2.0, positive 2.0. Right. So how to find the oxidizing order or oxidizing agent order? So in the periodic table we can say F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. So strongest oxidizing agent F2 in the representation, sorry, here in the representation we can write what is that, F2 to F minus. So which side we have to consider in the representation? So here this is a reactant. F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. So what is the side here? Reactant or product? Reactant side. So F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. Next positive value is plus 2.5. That too either Cl minus or Cl2. Reactant side Cl2. And the next here also last one Br minus or Br2. Reactant side Br2. This is the oxidizing agent order. So what is the shortcut? Oxidizing agent, more positive electrode potential value with reactant site, with reactant site. This is our shortcut. But one important thing I told you already, complete this shortcut is based on reduction reaction only. Reduction reaction. Suppose one representation is given like E naught A to A plus is 1.2 and E naught B to B plus minus 0.5 is there. So which is which is more reducing agent or which is more oxidizing agent? How to find? First we have to check whether it is oxidation reaction or reduction reaction, but it should be reduction reaction only. If it is reduction reaction, then you can follow the tricks. So A to A plus removal of electron, B to B plus removal of electron. So this is not the reduction series, it is oxidation series. So you should convert into reduction. So what happened? A plus 2A and potential becomes negative value. Here E naught, B plus 2B, potential becomes positive value. Now, so reducing agent more negative value, which is more negative value minus 1.2, that to reactant or product side. So product. So which is this one is a reducing agent. Next, oxidizing agent more positive value. Of course, this is only one positive value, but reactant side. So which is a reactant? B plus, and this B plus is the stronger oxidizing agent. So like this we have to find that oxidizing or reducing agent. So what is it? Important trick, it should be the reaction should be followed reduction reaction. Then so stronger reducing agent more negative value with product side, and stronger oxidizing agent more positive value with reactant side. And these are the shortcuts to find either oxidizing or reducing agent, right? Thank you for watching.